So I'm here with Moza. We're gonna make macaroni and cheese, and here is the ingredients, such as spatula, and here is frying pan. In Indonesia, we call it frying pan, not saucepan. 6 cups of water, but we put it in here.
And then we will need the butter, and then milk, and then 1 instant package of macaroni and cheese.
First, turn on this stove and put the frying pan on the stove.
And then pour the water into the pan.
It's already 6 cups of water. Wait until the water is boiled. Now the water is boiled. Now
Pour the macaroni into the pan, and then
Yes,
leave
that's
it
right.
for about 7 to 8 minutes.
Drain the water of the macaroni. I hope my hand don't burn. Yes! Oh my god. Oh.
And then put the margarine on the pan. Pour the milk and a sachet of cheese.
And then mix the ingredients. After that, you're just gonna pour all of the macaroni and then mix it well until it mixes. So when you pour the sachet of cheese, milk, and margarine, it has to be melted on small heat, and then you're just gonna pour the macaroni into the cheese sauce and stir well
Until it's mixed. And then turn off the stove. And then put the macaroni and cheese into the plate.
Of course, you're not gonna eat it in there. So, Gadi said in Korean we can eat the food in the frying pan.
Right from the pan.
Yeah. And finally,
It's ready to be served.
okay. It's already served, and here is some tips. You can use the big sieve. You have to use the big one.
There is another important thing that you should not eat it while it's hot. Because it's gonna burn your tongue.
And there is no other tips.